All right, I've been seeing everybody getting ice from outside and burning it, and it's turning black. I don't know what that trend is all about, but I'm about to go get some ice outside and try it for myself. All right, look at this. This is crazy. Let me get a piece of this here ice. Got a good piece.
Can I put you on a strawberry one?
What? Bro, this is not melting or dripping or anything. Look at that. Bruh, it's not dripping, melting, or anything. Well, I guess it is now, but that's because I'm holding it. Look at that. Technologia.